the prospects of in situ manufacturing, if you will, and in situ resource utilization is very attractive. So we would be very keen on utilizing technologies like 3D printing to be able to use available materials during the mission to replenish medical supplies as needed. Now it's that a lot has to happen, and a lot has to development work needs to be done for that to be of practical value. But I think the potential is great. Regarding mass and volume and crew health support, we've devoted a lot of thought to that. Some folks at Glenn and Johnson Space Center have actually developed an application of probabilistic risk assessment. Probabilistic risk assessment is the methodology that is the accepted practice in the engineering and safety world of NASA to assess and assign risk. So for a loss of crew, loss of mission number of 1 in whatever it is, 1 in 250, that's acceptable. That's a notional figure. That's not the definitive figure, and it varies from mission to mission. But that sort of a number is derived from probabilistic risk assessment. So these folks in NASA, very bright combination engineers and physicians and life scientists, have taken this technique and applied it to medical health and medical paradigms in the hopes to optimally configure medical kits and medical care systems for an interplanetary mission or a mission to cislunar space. It's very much in the developmental phase. It's being used. It's being evaluated now independently. It's called the integrated medical model. But I think it's fascinating. It's an application of an engineering and safety tool to the health and medical world. And as such, it's a step forward in developing a common lexicon between these very different disciplines in the hopes of doing a better job of human system integration. And we're very hopeful that it'll prove very useful in the years to come.